morning, everybody. What we happen to have on the dyno here is one of our 408 winter strokers. This thing just got done making some fantastic horsepower and torque. This one happened to be EFI. Customer chose to go front sump black pan, black block, and a black water pump. We have our nice Ford racing valve covers on here. Again, each and every engine is built with quality parts. This happened to have an Eagle rotating assembly in this. We got our AFR cylinder heads, ARP main bolts, and ARP head bolts. We got stainless steel Felcom roller rockers on this, and we got an Edelbrock intake manifold. Again, if you're interested in any one of our packages, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Peace. I have to get that 1970 Ford Mustang here on the dyno. I'm going to fire it up, give you a run demo.